Hi, I am Selva Prabhakaran and welcome to the Statistics for Data Science course. Now, before we get into the course contents, let's try to understand who this course is for and what are the different course objectives. Now, if you have a good knowledge of AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and you also know some introductory statistics and you want to know statistics in great depth, then this course is for you. If you know statistical concepts but you want to become crystal clear and have a deep understanding of the intuition and math behind the algorithms, then this course is also for you. If you have a fair idea but still unclear on what test or technique to use, when to use them and how to use them, this course will teach that for you. You want to gain more hands-on practice and programming experience. Alternately, if you are a complete beginner and want to learn everything from scratch, again, this course is for you. So overall, you will gain a clear understanding of the basic to advanced statistics from scratch. You will get a lot of hands-on practice and be able to solve problems both numerically by hand and by programming, mostly using Python programming language. Now, by completing this course, you should have a fair understanding of what technique or test or statistical concept to apply, when, where, and how to apply it. Overall, you should be able to interpret the results of various statistical models and tests also. Now, with this clarity about the objectives for the course, let's get started with the very foundational concepts of statistics.